What's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Y'all take a guess on where I'm at today. Y'all already know. Greatest neighborhood of them all. Creeksbend, home of the get in a house for $1,000. This just sounds crazy saying it. But you know, already USDA eligible, you know, use the preferred lender. We'll get you in a house for $1,000 only. It's crazy, gotta say it again. But today I'm going to be showing you a 2282 floor plan. We'll kind of continue on the same old traditional. Door just slammed on me, but I'm going to give you a little tour. So this is the 2282, walking in the front door. Let's see. So this may look familiar to you. If you've seen the 1610 that I've showed before, this is going to be the same floor plan downstairs as the 1610, which that one's a 3-bed, 2-bath, and this one is a 4-bed, 3-bath. So laundry room there. This is why everybody loves it. Look at these vaulted ceilings. Very open in here. Lots of cabinet space with an island. You can't beat it. This is, you know, one of the top plans that everybody loves. It's just so convenient. No matter what phase of life you're in, especially this upstairs portion right here. Let's see. So, huge bonus room right here coming up the stairs. Full bath there. Look at this bonus. I like to say this is perfect for, you know, kids in high school or grown kids. It's kind of just like your own apartment suite area up here. This is the 4th bedroom. Well, guys, hope you like the 2282. If you want to see this plan on paper or actually come out and see it, go to gtthomes.com/Creeksbend. Go get some information there, or give me a call, 615-796-4153. Y'all have a great day.